Hey, welcome to our journey in faith. We're sure glad you joined us. Well, we're over at the boys' cabin, the new one, and we're doing. We got the backfill in, and we got a load of rock. Brother Dan's running the skid steer. We got this load of gravel. Spreading it out. Stay out of the way. So we'll get run over. Just kind of putting this finishing grade on here. Remember how deep this was? There's actually a step that was underneath there. So it's 2 steps up to get on the deck. And that's all been filled up with backfill so we can keep the water running down, sort of washing away. Anyway, have a great day. Keep looking up, and Maranatha.